Hi everyone, this is Shalicia from Shalicia Skincare and Sensational Gifts. Today we're going to be doing a home-based toothpaste. I think most persons might be aware of the dangers of using fluoride-based toothpaste, and some people are quite wary of it. They may not be able to buy the retail versions of toothpaste, but today I'm going to show you how to make it yourself, quite simply using products that you may have on your shelf at home. So we have cornstarch, we have baking soda, we have some coconut oil, and also we're going to be using a little bit of oil of peppermint for that added flavor. So here I've already added 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and baking soda is a household product that every household should have. It's quite good for cleaning various things, including internally, and so it can be used safely for the teeth and to deodorize the mouth as well. So we have baking soda, and we're going to be adding to that another teaspoon of cornstarch. So I'm adding cornstarch to our baking soda mixture. Next, I'm going to add a tablespoon of our coconut oil. So a teaspoon of baking soda and a teaspoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, and we're going to just mix that into a smooth paste. So after mixing our first 3 ingredients, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it's not much, so you can always double or triple the ingredients measurements as you prefer. I'm just showing you what the basic product would look like, and you can see it looks like toothpaste a bit, but you may want to stop here if you don't have the oil of peppermint. However, I can tell you it may have not so pleasant a taste in your mouth, might be just a bit nasty, so it's good if you can use the oil of peppermint. We're just gonna use just a drop. If you have a dropper, you can just use a drop of the oil of peppermint, or using the teaspoon, we're just gonna use a 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint oil to make it taste a bit more of that minty flavor that persons are used to in regular toothpaste. So the peppermint oil is quite strong, so please be careful with how you use it. Just a drop will do. If you have a dropper, as I said, you can also use a teaspoon and just add a 1/4 teaspoon or less into the mixture for the toothpaste, and stir that up, and you have yourself a nice inexpensive do-it-yourself toothpaste that, because it has baking soda, will also help to whiten the teeth. And of course, we encourage persons to brush twice daily, morning and before bedtime, and this is quite acceptable, just as any store-bought toothpaste. This can also be used, and you can make as much or as little of it as you want. I'd advise you to keep it in a airtight container. Don't store it in the fridge. Just make as much as you need to use for about a week, which this mixture will probably last you for a couple of days. So as I said, you can go up with the measurements to have it last you for about a week. If you put it in the refrigerator, it will dry out everything: the baking soda, the starch, the cornstarch, and of course the coconut oil is something that really coagulates and hardens, so we don't want that in the toothpaste. So we'll just make as much, keep it in an airtight container, and use it, store it and use it daily until it is finished. You can replenish by making a fresh batch of toothpaste. Okay guys, thank you for watching. This is a safe option if you don't want to use fluoridated toothpaste or buy the store-bought versions. Have a good day.